All right, guys, in this video, we're going over new finish offerings for products here at SPE Motorsport. So in the past, we offered a black wrinkle finish on a lot of our piping kit parts and some other parts like oil pans and transmission pans. So we've always wanted to expand upon that, and it took a while to get everything dialed in, but we're finally happy with what we have to offer. And we're doing some of our products in full polish and then color match powder coating based upon paint codes for the Super Duty stuff, and even some of the like GT500 and Raptor stuff that we're going to expand this line into as well. That's also coming. So as I said, powder coat, gloss finishes, paint matched, and polished stuff. So on the table here, we have our XD cold side pipe in full polish. So this will obviously come in more than just full polish. You'll be able to do the powder coating options on that as well. And that kind of goes for everything on the table here. So this is our OE performance intake manifold. These are our standard intake manifold piping kits. And then our just released differential covers, which we have a lot more of these coming out as far as year and model range. But these are the polished ones. So yeah, let me go over the colors here real quick. Obviously, as I stated, we're doing full polish. Blue Jean, Race Red, White Platinum Pearl, Oxford White, Tuxedo Black, Carbonized Gray, Rapid Red, Velocity Blue, Iconic Silver, new Ford Grabber Blue with metallic, which is not a truck color, but super cool color. Looks really awesome under the hood. Antimatter Blue and Ford Eruption Green. So as you can see, we do have a lot of color options. It's a total of about 12 powder coat colors, and then obviously the polish as well. So that's 13 options for you, 14 with the black wrinkle. So as I said, it's a lot of options. You can go on the website, check it out. You can go on Google, look at the colors. And obviously if you have a truck with that color, you already know what it looks like. And if you want to mix match it, you can do that. But we really wanted to get these offerings out there for everybody because we've had many people over the years asking for different color options and things of that nature. And we worked really hard to dial all this stuff in because some of these colors are base coat, clear coat. Some of them, just the way the powder lays, you have to tweak it and cure them differently. So we got them pretty dialed in. We got the polishing dialed in. We're pretty pumped about it, and we're excited to be able to offer them to you guys. So check it out on the website. If you have any questions about what we have to offer and what you can put these finishes on, give us a call, shoot us an email. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Like the channel, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think, and we'll catch you on the next one.